Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about method inner class in Java. In Java we can have one inner class nested inside the method of the outer class. Like in example, if we have one class called outer and the outer class has its own method, then inside the method of the outer class we can have one nested inner class. So we can create class inner. So the class inner is nested inside the method of the outer class, and the inner class can have its own method. Like we can create one method m1, and to invoke that method we have to create object of the inner class. So inside of that outer method we have to create object of the inner class. So I'm gonna write inner obj equal new inner, and then we can use that object and invoke inner class methods. Like we can write obj.m1 and we can invoke the inner class method. So whenever we create object of the outer class and we use that object and invoke the outer method, then all the code written inside the outer method will be executed, including the object of the inner class will be created, and also the inner method call will be invoked. So in this example program we have one class called outer, and inside the outer class we have one method, and inside that method we are going to create one method inner class. So we are going to write class inner, and inside that class we are going to have one method called display, and the method will print inner class onto the console. So now we are going to create one object of the inner class. So I'm gonna write inner obj equal new inner, and then we're gonna use that object and call the display method. Now inside the main method I'm gonna create object of the outer class, and then I'm gonna use that object and invoke the outer method. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output inner class. So in this example program we have one outer method, and inside of that method we have one class which has its own member method, and then inside of that method we have created one object of that inner class and then use that object and invoke the inner method. So whenever we invoke the outer method, the code will be executed inside the outer method, including the inner object will be created, and also the object will be used to invoke the inner method. So this is the way we can create one method inner class that is nested inside the method of the outer class. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.